What's up, you guys? It's me, Erick Glam, and welcome back to my beauty channel. I am very excited to be presenting this video to you guys finally after weeks of production. Because guys, this is a video that's been requested for quite a while now, and I wasn't making it because I wasn't ready at the time. I didn't feel that I had enough makeup, or maybe I didn't have, a nice setup yet. So I really didn't feel that I was ready to show you or give you a tour of my beauty room. So I was just like organizing my makeup the other day, and once I put everything away and I organized it, I kind of said to myself, wow, you have a nice setup. And this is a very beautiful space that I'm very proud to have. And I feel very fortunate too, because I know that not everybody has the luxury of having their own beauty room. So for those of you out there who don't have a beauty room yet, don't give up. If you work hard enough and if you drown yourself in debt, you can get one too. Just kidding, guys. So yeah, let's get this started. So I will be showing you guys everything in my beauty room, a bit of my organization drawers and how I keep my makeup together, a little hangout area. So just showing you everything I have in my beauty room. So I hope you guys are as excited as I am. And as always, before we get started, guys, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, uncles, sisters, boyfriends, friends, lovers, anyone you love. And don't forget to hit that notification bell button along with the subscribe button so you guys don't miss any of my videos and you guys stay updated with the glamazon lovingness, extraness, everything. Behold the gorgeous and beautiful Erick Glam Kingdom, where all the beauty begins. I am very excited, guys, and proud to show you this video because it's a very special space in my house. This is where I get to record my videos, do makeup, have a little space for me. So if you guys are ready to see my room, be sure to keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so starting off with this left section of my makeup organizers, you will find all my liquid lipsticks. So on the top, you'll find Gerard Cosmetics, Lime Crime, some other single ones. I have some MAC ones. And on the middle one, I'll have all my ColourPop ones. And on the bottom one, I have Anastasia Beverly Hills, Kat Von D, and just some other random ones that I have from either Ipsy or BoxyCharm. And then right there at the bottom, you'll see all those single eyeshadows, paint pots, glitters, just like single color items that I don't use as much, but I like to have them handy just in case I do need them, and I feel that they look pretty nice on my set. Okay, guys, and in this section, like right on the top of the lipsticks, you guys will find all my foundations. So you'll see NYX, Milk, MAC, Revlon, Almay, and then I also have my Farsali drops, either my Unicorn Essence or my 24 karat elixir. So right there, obviously I can't just not talk about it. I have my Revlon lipsticks and my Maybelline lipsticks. These were actually my first lipsticks that I ever bought. Right there you'll see my androgyny palette. I love the way it looks because it sort of like adds to the theme of how I organize my makeup. You'll find that a lot of my Jeffree Star products are pretty much on display. That's just how much I love Jeffree Star. And to the right you'll see my Beauty Killer palette, my other Jeffree Star highlighters, and just like the rest of the stuff. I think it looks pretty neat. Right there you'll find some of my Jeffree Star velour liquid lipsticks that look so pretty. And right there you guys will find all the primers that I use, or all the primers I have. Right there you guys will see all my brow products. Yes, I know, I'm obsessed with Benefit Cosmetics. Who can blame me? And right there you guys will see all my mixing mediums, glitter primers, oil, stuff to like mix pigments and eyeshadows to make them more creative or create different consistencies. Most of them are from NYX. And I also have some glitter lipsticks over there that I love to use for like super special effects. And right there you guys will find one of my most valued collections, and this is the Felicia Taylor X Glitter Addict collab that I had so much fun with and I value so much. So I think they look super pretty right there. Yeah. And right there you guys will find a lot of my highlighters and contour palettes. So you'll see my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. I also have 2 highlighters from Anastasia, a highlighter palette from Jeffree Star, and that cute tiny little palette from Benefit Cosmetics. and it has the Hula bronzer in it that I love so much. This drawer is sort of like a miscellaneous type of drawer, so I have a lot of bronzers in there, and yeah, just bronzers and blushes, but I try to keep mostly bronzers. I don't use those bronzers as much, but it's pretty nice to have them in there because you never know. Sometimes you're looking for them and it's nice to have them handy. And on the bottom, you guys will find most of my smaller eyeshadow palettes that I either get from BoxyCharm or I've gotten elsewhere, but these are my smaller ones that I like to keep handy. And on to the right, you guys will see more lip products. So right there is pretty much almost 100% Jeffree Star. So you'll see all my Skin Frost highlighters, my Beauty Killer palette, my mini collection of lipsticks there too. I have a new lipstick back there that I haven't used that I'm thinking of saving for a giveaway, and of course my lip scrub that I have on top of that. So I love the way it looks. I think aesthetically it looks pretty neat, and yeah, it just feeds into my obsession with Jeffree Star. Alright, and on this drawer you guys will find a lot more makeup. So right there you'll see all my like special effects kind of stuff. So I have my white, clown white, paint, I have some like wax and all kinds of stuff that I use for special effects. My Glitter Addict collection, all these glitters are from Glitter Addict, except for those chunky ones onto the right, but all those glitters are from Glitter Addict, so pretty excited to have as many, and I still need a lot more, so Debbie, wink wink. Right there you guys will see all my concealers and kind of like contour-ish foundation related stuff. So you see my Tarte, It Cosmetics, Maybelline, Revlon, Maybelline, NYX, Tarte, Wet n Wild. I know I repeated many of them, but I just have like multiples of the same brand from different lines. And then right here you guys will see a lot of my skincare type of stuff that I use more frequently. So my lotion for my hands, I get ashy. Those lotions that I use for like makeup. Sometimes when I have like really dry skin, I like to moisturize my face with it. And yeah, lip masks from BoxyCharm. Right there you guys will see all my Selena MAC collection, and I haven't used them yet. I'm trying to save them for a special video that actually might be coming up on my channel very soon. Just waiting for a very special moment to be able to make that video, and I think her 10th anniversary might be it, so keep an open eye, guys. Can we just admire how gorgeous this bronzer looks? Yes. And then right there I have more highlighters, blushes, contour, more stuff that I don't know where else to put it. Some pretty cool blushes and things that I've gotten throughout the last few months. I'm hoarding, I know. And right here you guys will find all of the samples that I've been collecting and saving, and I'm thinking of doing a fun samples only kind of challenge for my channel, so keep an open eye. And on this section of my vanity, guys, I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes and just other palettes from different brands. Lipsticks right there. I have my setting sprays from different brands, my contact solution, lotions, tanning lotions, just stuff that, you know, I'm trying to put everything organized in a way that it looks nice. Alright guys, so below my desk I have like a little bookshelf, which is one of the reasons I fell in love with this desk so much. And all those books are pretty much books that I love and, you know, look into every now and then. So I am obsessed with the French culture. I have a bunch of French books in there, novels, some other good books that I've been reading or read in the past, and I just want to make them look nice too on my little bookshelf. Moving on to my drawers. I have a set of Alex drawers on the right and the left of my vanity. I just think it looks pretty nice. They are all white, and I use them to store a lot of stuff, right? The first drawer right here, guys, you will find a lot of like hairbands, nails, jewelry. This is more like the stuff that I use for Felicia Taylor. Stuff that I don't touch as much, but I want to have it tucked away in a little tiny spot. And on this second drawer, I just have a lot of like miscellaneous type of stuff. So I have a lot of like single items. I have my cotton balls, makeup remover sponges, applicators, just kind of stuff that I don't know where else to put. And now we're on to the good drawer, guys. So here I have most of my eyeshadow palettes that don't fit on the front or on top of my vanity. So I just kind of like put them away in there. But I actually do use all of them. I'm pretty excited that all the stuff that I use on a frequent basis, so I haven't had the need to destash. I have tons of stuff that is not sold anymore, so I'm pretty excited to still have it. Look at those eyeshadow palettes, guys. This is how everything started. On this drawer, I try to keep a lot of like fun stuff. Again, more special effects kind of stuff and stuff that I actually don't use unless I'm doing a special effects look. So I have like my scarf hoodie back there. I have some pom-pom balls. I have some paint from different colors, spirit gum, glue, nail polish. So really stuff that I will not use on a freaking basis. So I keep it all the way on the bottom. And then the last drawer, you guys, is my Ipsy bag reservoir. I have all my Ipsy bags in there. It cosmetics, you know, makeup, holders, just bags that I don't use, but I like to keep. So that was one of the drawer sets, and here is the other one. This one, guys, is mostly like office related items, so I try to keep all the pens in this first drawer. Pens, push pins, clips, kind of stuff that you don't use for beauty but you like to have. Markers, pencils, sticky notes. Then I have more drawing stuff, and then I have all my files. That's where I organized all of my important documents. And yeah, guys, so this is pretty much my vanity set. Most of the items on my vanity is actually very affordable, and they were all purchased at IKEA. So those shelves were purchased at IKEA. I cut them a little bit to customize the size of it for my desk. That mirror was also from IKEA. I just spray painted it white to fit the theme. I painted the wall purple. I wanted it to match Selena's favorite color. And the desk is actually one of the most expensive items in my room. And I purchased that at Gallerie, and it's called the Jett desk. I love it. I think it's super chic, and I take care of it like it's my baby. So on my left little shelf, I have very special items, kind of like knickknacks that I just like to collect. I'm a little hoarder, I know. But here is a very cute picture, guys, of me, my best friend, and my boyfriend when we went to Cancun. That's the day she got proposed, and she's now married. So yeah, there's Patrick when he was young. There's a flower there that I got on Valentine's that I wanted to keep. Look how smashing he was. He still is, guys, he still is. And then cute little knickknacks that I got also from IKEA, guys. And on this shelf, guys, I have a lot of Jeffree Star items. I have my Katrina that I got in Arizona, I want to say. I don't remember exactly, but I think it was Arizona. I thought it was super cute, very representing of my culture. And then I have other boxes from Jeffree Star collection. So the nudes, the family collection, summer collection, many MUA. I have some records from him. Pretty much all good stuff. On this part of the room, guys, and this is basically the part of the room that takes the most space, is where all the magic really happens. This is where I record my videos. I have my closet there, and over the closet doors I have my backdrop that I'm just hanging. I have my diva light, my soft lights in there. I also have my microphone. So pretty much everything I use for my videos is tucked away in that little corner. So it's not very appealing, but this is where the magic happens, and to me, that is precious. And this section, guys, is one of the sections that I think is the most special to me, because this is where I honor my amazing and beautiful idol, Selena. So I have a lot of pictures that I thought were one of the most candid pictures that I know or have seen of Selena, and decided to put them on the wall, kind of like a little tribute / little mini museum. And they're pretty much right above my little hangout area where I like to sit to like brainstorm ideas, or just like read a book, or do all my social media networking. That little settee or little couch I got from Gallerie as well, and oh my god, I just love it so much. It has those beautiful acrylic legs, and it has that very chic glamour flair that I like. And this next section, guys, is like my mini museum. Now here's where I have a lot of memorabilia from Selena, a lot of collectibles that I've been having, and just some very special items that I decided to also put up there. So for instance, I have those Glitter Addict items. I love Glitter Addict so much, so all the items that I have from Glitter Addict I have pretty much on display. All those droppers from the Felicia Taylor collab that I'm just so proud of and so excited. To me, that's like a huge achievement, so I have them right there so that I can see them and look back. That beautiful doll that I got in Cancun. I love my country so much, my culture, and I bought these from one of the indigenous people that they handmade and hand decorate everything, and I thought it was just beautiful. And just some necklaces that I use for Felicia Taylor. Right there, you guys will see a lot of stuff. Like in the back, you see 2 Selena dolls, original ones from 1997, unopened, so that's pretty awesome. And then the Selena Live concert, I love that concert. And then my MAXX Selena collection that I just so value very, very much because it was a huge achievement. That belt was actually the same one that she used in a concert back in the 80s. So same brand, I was able to find it on eBay. And here I have a bunch of jewelry, a belt, CDs, her perfume. I also have like a compilation of many hits in that anthology little set. I love this tiny section because it's very glamorous, very representing of who Selena was. And that CD right there, guys, was actually my very first Selena CD ever, because I had a cassette before that one, so that goes way back in time. But look at all these jewelry, guys. It's just amazing. And that doll, that was actually the last doll of that particular look, and I actually purchased it at the Selena Museum in Corpus Christi. Here, guys, is also a very special section of my mini museum. So I have that belt that Selena used for her La Llamada music video and many concerts, except for the one she wore was black, but it's the same brand, same style, same everything. So I had to be in charge of buying it and making sure I had put it on display. That right there, guys, is a brassiere or a bustier that Selena used to use. I just don't have the jewels yet for it. That was my Selena movie, still in its original packaging, a VHS. And that little chip, I bought it in Corpus Christi. Not Corpus Christi, I'm sorry. I bought it in Las Vegas. And just look at the detailing of this bra, guys. Pretty amazing. It's a Victoria's Secret bra. Same type. I just need to find the jewels to bedazzle it. And right there, guys, you will find very special CDs as well. Obviously, this is not everything I have in my collection, but these are some of the CDs that I felt fit the theme of the little mini museum. So that was my special little corner. And the last part of my room that I want to show you guys is this tiny little section next to my little settee. As you see, there's a tiny little bed that I put underneath this accent table. And that bed I got from Marshall's or TJ Maxx. All the decorations, guys, most of them are from TJ Maxx if they're not from IKEA. So TJ Maxx and IKEA will be your best friend if you're looking at decorating your room and stuff. But look at what's on top of this accent table. That picture right there is me next to Suzette Quintanilla, Selena's sister. That was such an amazing moment for me, guys. When I met her, I literally had so many things that I wanted to tell her, but I just went blank. I was like, oh, it's you! Oh my god, I dreamt about this moment for many years, and when it finally happened, wow, I was just lost for words. So it is a very special little tiny spot for me. And that is it, you guys. So this pretty much wraps up my little room tour. I want to know what you guys think about my beauty room, what suggestions you have on how I could improve it, any ideas, any tips. Also, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell button so you don't miss any of my videos. So without further ado, let me say bye to you guys. See you on the next video and enjoy this last little bit of my room. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Mwah.